Hi, I'm Ed. Welcome back. This week we're going to be talking about burnout and stress and how to avoid them. The thing is, many, if not all of us, did not sign up to take all of our classes online, but due to circumstances out of our control, here we are. So making the best of the situation is all we can do. But taking classes online does come with side effects, and we're going to talk about how to deal with them. One thing that's important to differentiate is stress and burnout. Stress is you're overstimulated. There's too much going on, and that's when you need to take a step back and take a break. Burnout, on the other hand, is you're feeling a lack of engagement. Therefore, you need to find something to engage you to help revitalize your brain. One thing you need to be aware of, especially while taking classes online, is how much time you're spending on the computer. The human eye is not necessarily designed to look at a screen for so long. So remember the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a look at something that's 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This will keep your eyes healthy, it'll alleviate eye strain, and it'll make sure you don't develop any eye strain. Now that most of us are doing our work from home, it's important to create a schedule for ourselves to help keep our minds stimulated. That means creating a sleep schedule and sticking to it, and also having time set out for work and time to relax and enjoy things. While it might seem like a no-brainer, eating 3 meals a day and a healthy, balanced diet actually keeps our mental health, well, healthy. Generally, when we're home and we don't have much activity, it's easy to fall into a trap where we skip a meal or we snack all day, and that doesn't actually replace a healthy, balanced diet. One thing you need to be careful of, now that you have a lot of time spent at home, is that you don't spend too much time doing an activity you enjoy. For example, take movie watching. If you really like watching movies, sometimes the best thing to do is take a break from that, just maybe for a day or two. That way you can come back to it refreshed. If you spend too much time doing the same thing you enjoy every day, then you can actually stop enjoying it. Try supplementing it with something else you enjoy, perhaps reading a book, playing video games, whatever you like. If you're ever feeling stressed or burned out, stepping back from schoolwork is totally okay. You can do vacuuming or wash the dishes or something like that. Some meaningless task that probably has built up in the back of your mind that once accomplished will make you feel a lot better. If you're ever stressed out from schoolwork, it's alright to take a break. You don't necessarily need to do nothing either. You can spend the time learning a new skill, such as carpentry, learning an instrument, write your famous book. Do whatever you need to do to be successful and use this time spent at home accordingly. But just because you have this time also doesn't mean you need to do something like that. This is an immensely stressful time for everybody involved. Our whole schedule, our whole world has been thrown off. Don't feel like you're suddenly obligated to become the next great pianist. If you're stuck at home and you have roommates or family, talk to them as much as you can bear. It'll help keep you sane. Hi diddly ho there, neighborino.